Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure ProofHub for milestones and roadmap planning, full guide step by step clearly. To begin configuring ProofHub for milestones and roadmap planning, log into your ProofHub account. Once logged in, navigate to the project dashboard. Click on the project you wish to configure for milestones. In the project overview, locate the Milestones section on the left sidebar. Click on Milestones to open the Milestones Management page. To add a new milestone, click on the Add Milestone button. Enter a descriptive title for your milestone in the provided text box. Set the due date by selecting a date from the calendar. If necessary, add a description to provide further details about the milestone. You may also assign the milestone to specific team members responsible for achieving it. After filling out the necessary information, click the Create button to save the milestone. To view your milestones in a timeline or roadmap format, navigate back to the project dashboard. Locate the Roadmap section in the project overview. Click on Roadmap to view your project's timeline visually. To add milestones to your roadmap, ensure they are already created in the Milestones section. Drag and drop your milestones onto the roadmap at the appropriate points in time. Adjust the timeline as required to reflect your project's schedule accurately. Review the entire roadmap for clarity and organization. Make any necessary edits to individual milestones by clicking on them directly in the roadmap view. To keep your team informed, consider setting up notifications for milestone updates. Regularly monitor the project's progress through the roadmap for any adjustments needed. Encourage team collaboration by discussing milestones in team meetings. Finally, repeat this process for any additional milestones or projects you need to manage. Remember, proper configuration of milestones and roadmaps is crucial for successful project management. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.